Lockheed Martin and partners have handed over 142 F-35 fighters to the United States military and its allies in 2021. In 2021, two new countries, Switzerland and Finland, selected the F-35 for their new fighter jet programs. Additionally, Denmark received its first F-35 and the Royal Netherlands Air Force became the 9th nation to declare their F-35 fleet ready for initial operational capability. The F-35's operational capabilities continued to advance and further demonstrated its value as the most advanced node in the 21st century battlespace. Last year alone, the F-35 successfully participated in a series of flight tests and exercises, including Project Hydra, Northern Edge, Orange Flag, Talisman, Sabre and Flight Test 6. The F-35's operational performance remains strong. Some of the F-35A deployments and exercises demonstrated over 80% mission-capable rates. As one of the most reliable aircraft in the U.S. fighter fleet, 93% of F-35 parts are performing better than predicted. In the last year, F-35s were part of 4 base and ship activations and participated in more than 60 deployments and detachments, including the first U.S. Navy F-35C deployment aboard the USS Carl Vinson. During the first deployment of the Royal Navy's flagship HMS Queen Elizabeth as part of the UK's Carrier Strike Group 2021, F-35Bs from the US Marine Corps and Royal Air Force flew nearly 1,300 sorties, more than 2,200 hours and conducted 44 combat missions. More than 750 F-35 aircraft are operating from 30 bases and ships around the globe. Over 1,585 pilots and 11,545 maintainers are trained, and the F-35 fleet has flown nearly 470,000 cumulative flight hours. 9 nations have F-35s operating from a base on their home soil, 12 services have declared initial operational capability and 6 services have employed F-35s in combat. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.